Janie! Janie just started crawling this week. She's 11 months. Janie, come get this. Come get this. Here, put it down here. Come on, come get it. Good job, Janie. Now we're going to have to block off those stairs somehow.
Thank you.
Probably move the couch again. Go get it, Jane. Good job.
She's coming back.
Yeah, she's good at crawling. And here are her beautiful sisters in their ballet outfits that help her crawl. There's Elizabeth. Elizabeth, how old are you?
6.
6.5, huh? And Annabelle, how old are you? You're 3? Did you just have a birthday? You just turned 3, didn't you?
Thank you.
Cool. And here is her cute little brother, who is how old?
5.
Charlie, you are 5. Oh yeah, there she goes. Even in a dress. It's hard to crawl in a dress. Good job, Jane.
You got it.
Good job, Janie. Janie, good job. Good job. Jane, hi. Jane, hi. Jane.
Go crawl.